Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we have something truly special, a deep dive into the all-new 2025 MG MGB. This modern revival of the iconic British Roadster promises to blend the charm of yesteryears with today's cutting-edge technology. Let's explore how MG has reimagined this classic for the contemporary driver. Cut to a side-by-side comparison of the original MGB and the 2025 model, highlighting design evolution. The MG MGB first graced our roads in the 1960s, capturing hearts with its sporty design and spirited performance. Fast forward to 2025, and MG has resurrected this legend, retaining its timeless appeal while infusing modern aesthetics and functionalities. Close-up shots of the 2025 MGB's exterior features, sleek headlights, aerodynamic curves, and modern grille design. At first glance, the 2025 MGB pays homage to its predecessor with a familiar silhouette. However, a closer look reveals contemporary touches: LED headlights that mimic the classic round design, a more aerodynamic body, and a reimagined grille that blends tradition with modernity. Interior shots showcasing the blend of classic design elements with modern technology, touchscreen display, premium materials, and ergonomic seating. Stepping inside, the nostalgia continues. The cabin boasts premium leather seats with contrast stitching, reminiscent of the original's upholstery. The dashboard combines analog dials with a central touchscreen infotainment system, ensuring drivers enjoy both retro charm and modern convenience. Cut to under the hood, showcasing the engine and discussing performance specifications. Under the hood, the 2025 MGB offers a choice between a turbocharged 2.0-litre petrol engine and an all-electric powertrain. The petrol variant delivers 200 horsepower, ensuring a lively driving experience. For the eco-conscious, the electric model provides instant torque, accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6 seconds, with a range of approximately 250 miles on a full charge. Driving footage on winding roads, highlighting the car's handling and performance. On the road, the new MGB impresses with its responsive steering and balanced chassis. The suspension has been tuned to offer a comfortable ride without compromising the sporty feel that enthusiasts cherish. Whether navigating city streets or cruising along coastal highways, the 2025 MGB delivers a driving experience that's both engaging and refined. Focus on safety features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced braking systems. Safety hasn't been overlooked. The 2025 MGB comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and an enhanced braking system. These additions ensure that drivers can enjoy the thrill of the ride with peace of mind, highlighting customization options, color palettes, wheel designs, and interior trims. Personalization is key for many enthusiasts, and MG delivers. Buyers can choose from a palette of classic and contemporary colors, various wheel designs, and interior trims to make the MGB truly their own. Interview snippets with MG's design team discussing the inspiration and challenges in reviving the MGB. To gain deeper insight into the revival process, we spoke with MG's design team. They emphasized the challenge of honoring the original MGB's legacy while integrating modern requirements. The goal was to create a vehicle that resonates with both longtime fans and new drivers, capturing the essence of the classic while embracing today's advancements. Customer testimonials from early adopters sharing their driving experiences. Early adopters have shared glowing reviews. Many appreciate the seamless blend of old and new, noting that the 2025 MGB offers the nostalgic feel of the original with the reliability and performance of a modern car. The electric variant, in particular, has garnered praise for its quiet yet powerful drive, appealing to those looking to the future while cherishing the past. Discussion on the market positioning and potential competitors. In terms of market positioning, the 2025 MGB sits comfortably among modern roadsters, offering a unique proposition with its rich heritage. Potential competitors include the Mazda MX-5 Maya 2 and the BMW Z4. However, the MGB's blend of classic British charm and modern technology sets it apart in this segment. Exploration of the car's technological features, infotainment system, connectivity options, and driver assistance. Technologically, the MGB doesn't disappoint. The infotainment system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless smartphone integration. A premium sound system provides crisp audio, perfect for those open-top drives. Additionally, driver assistance features like parking sensors and a rear-view camera add to the convenience. Environmental considerations. Discussion on the electric variant's eco-friendliness and MG's sustainability initiatives. For the environmentally conscious, the electric variant stands out. With zero tailpipe emissions and energy-efficient design, it aligns with global moves towards sustainable motoring. MG has also announced initiatives to support green energy, including partnerships for renewable energy charging stations, underscoring their commitment to a sustainable future. Historical context. Brief overview of the MGB's legacy and its impact on automotive culture. Reflecting on its legacy, the MGB was more than just a car, it was a cultural icon. It represented freedom, style, and the thrill of driving. Its return in 2025 is not just a nod to the past but a celebration of its enduring impact on automotive culture. Closing shots of the 2025 MGB driving into the sunset, with a call to action for viewers. In conclusion, the 2025 MG MGB masterfully bridges the gap between past and present. It offers a driving experience that's rich in heritage while embracing the advancements of today. For those seeking a roadster that delivers both nostalgia and modernity, the new MGB is a compelling choice. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and technology. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Share your thoughts on the 2025 MGB in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. Fade out with the sound of the MGB's engine revving softly. End of video. The rear design of the 2025 MG MGB blends classic aesthetics with modern refinements, paying homage to the original while integrating contemporary styling and functionality. The sleek, rounded taillights echoed the signature look of the classic MGB but now feature LED technology for better visibility and efficiency. A subtly sculpted trunk lid maintains the car's vintage appeal while incorporating a small integrated spoiler to enhance aerodynamics. The chrome bumper, a staple of the original, has been modernized with a cleaner, more streamlined design, complementing the car's sporty yet elegant profile. The exhaust outlets, available in dual-tip chrome or hidden for the electric variant, add to the car's refined yet aggressive stance. The MG logo is prominently placed at the center of the trunk, flanked by model badging that subtly indicates whether it's the gasoline-powered or electric version. A rear diffuser enhances the car's performance by optimizing airflow, while optional rear parking sensors and a backup camera bring modern practicality to this revived icon. Whether you opt for the soft-top convertible or the hard-top coupe, the 2025 MG MGB's rear profile ensures a balance of nostalgia and innovation, making it instantly recognizable on the road. This thoughtful redesign makes the MGB as captivating from the back as it is from every other angle, ensuring that it remains a head-turner for both classic car enthusiasts and modern drivers alike. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like please.